everyone, I'm Rachel from the marketing team here at ButterflyMX, and with me today is Frank Freehill from our partner team. And thank you so much for joining us. We're really excited to walk you through how our Wiegand-to-OSDP converter can simplify your installations. Just a little bit about what we're going to be covering today. We'll start with an overview of the Wiegand-to-OSDP converter. We'll dive into installation, configuration, and support. Then we'll wrap things up with some frequently asked questions. So let's dive in. Frank, take it away.
Thanks, Rachel. And hi, everyone. Like Rachel mentioned, I'm Frank Freehill. I'm Director of Partner Operations here at ButterflyMX. And again, like Rachel said, we're just really excited to talk about this new product. So what we'll do is just kind of start with the basics. So the Wiegand-to-OSDP converter, it's really designed just to bridge the gap between your client's existing Wiegand readers and the ButterflyMX Access Controller. So really, like what this allows you to do is connect older Wiegand readers directly to your OSDP-based system without needing to replace those existing readers at the property. And so this, again, just makes it a really great solution for those buildings where upgrading the entire access control system isn't feasible. And that could be for a couple reasons, whether it's installation-wise and also cost-wise as well. So now that we know a little bit about that, we're going to get us into just how does it work, right? So I think another great aspect to this is that the converter is really straightforward. So what you'll simply just need to do is connect the converter with the ButterflyMX Access Controller, and then you'll just connect it to any of the Wiegand compatible readers. Once it's connected, the converter is going to translate the Wiegand protocol to OSDP, and that's going to allow those older readers to communicate seamlessly with the ButterflyMX Access Controller. And again, this setup is going to let your clients retain their existing readers, but they're also going to benefit from the functionality and the security of OSDP. So now we're going to get a little bit more into why the Wiegand-to-OSDP converter is such a valuable tool. And I've mentioned some of these things before, but just to really reiterate, it's going to be perfect for buildings that can't or don't want to replace their existing Wiegand readers. Again, it's going to simplify the installation process. It's going to make it more efficient, less time consuming, and also, really importantly, it's cost saving as well. Again, it's going to allow those Wiegand readers to communicate directly with OSDP access controllers. So this is going to, really just ensure that compatibility and it's to streamline the operations at the property. And again, I know, like I mentioned it earlier, the process for installing the converter is really simple. You're just going to connect it securely to both the ButterflyMX Access Controller and the Wiegand reader, and then you're going to be good to go. So now we're just going to go over some of the most common questions that we get around the Wiegand-to-OSDP converter. Really, the main one is around compatibility. So again, good news here, the converter works with most Wiegand readers, and it's really easy to figure that out. So to confirm, all you need to do is just simply scan a credential with the reader. And if that data light that's on the converter blinks 3 times quickly, you're going to know it's compatible right away. And then the other question that we get is around how many readers a single converter can support. And so in this case, each Wiegand-to-OSDP converter is designed to support 1 reader at a time. This is going to ensure accurate data transmission and reliable performance. So those are just 2 examples of some of the most common questions that we receive around the Wiegand-to-OSDP converter. But if you have more, Rachel is shortly going to point you in the right direction to get in contact with us to learn more.
Awesome. Thank you, Frank. Yep. And it looks like we are out of time for today's webinar, but thank you all for joining. And if you have any questions or would just like more information, feel free to give us a call or reach us at partners@butterflymx.com. And if you're ready to start receiving exclusive benefits and pricing, just visit butterflymx.com/dealer-program. Again, thanks for joining and have a great day.
Thanks, everyone.